I know the sopita can be made many different ways, but this is how we cook it.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook sopa or sopita. It can be made many different ways. My mom makes it with onion and tomatoes. This is how I make it because my kids won't eat it with the onion or tomatoes. I like to make this dish especially on rainy days because it definitely does warm your body temperature. So if you guys want to see how I make the sopita, give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified every single time we upload a new video. My name's Lena, and this is Life as Lena Mac. Hey. So before I jump right into the video, like I was saying, this can be made many different ways. I was taught a certain way. I just took out the onion and the tomato, and this is how we make it. But yeah, with all that being said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. So to get started, for my family of 4, we do 2 bags of the small shells, 2 cans of tomato sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then oil. This is about the size of pot that I do it in when I cook it. So you're going to want to start off by putting your oil in your pot. Not much. For 2 bags. You just want it to coat the shells, really. And then I have it like on medium heat, high heat. That way it can get hot fast. Go ahead and add 1 bag. And then the second bag. And then I'm going to just mix that around so all the shells are coated in the oil. Alright. So what you want to make sure you do is just make sure all the shells are super coated in the oil. And you want them to get a little bit of brown. So for every 5-ounce bag, you're going to want to do 2 cups of water. So since I did 2, I'm going to do 4 cups of water. So I'm going to go ahead and let the sopita brown. I am letting these shells brown. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 cups of water. You do want to turn on your fan because it does smoke. What I'm going to first do is add the 2 cans of the tomato sauce. And then I'm going to add the 4 cups of water. 2 cups of water. And another 2 cups of water. And then also what I do too is I take your can and I also fill it up with water. So both cans with water. Not all the way, about enough just to make sure you get all of it, okay? Second can. Alright, so what I'm going to go ahead and do now is add my seasonings. So garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Oop, that was a lot. It's okay. Alright guys, so after you go ahead and mix all your seasonings together, what you're going to want to do is bring it to a boil. And then once it starts boiling, you're going to reduce the heat and cover it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll be back once this brings to a boil. So now that my sopa is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and reduce the heat to like a 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover. And I'm going to let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Alright guys, 15 minutes. Let's check on the sopa. I'm actually going to let it cook for 5 more minutes. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, that looks so much better. So yeah, I went ahead and did the extra 5 minutes. Normally I do the 15 minutes. Then sometimes I just add the extra 5 minutes without even checking it. Sometimes I do check it. This time obviously I did check it. So therefore I gave it an additional 5 minutes. But yeah, I'm going to plate and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so your sopita is not complete without your cheese. And there you guys have it. That's going to go ahead and conclude today's video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 9.